Hello friends, my name is Bhargav. I am in grade 1. My favorite bird in Vadodara is parrot. Do you know parrot are tropical bird. They prefer a warmer climate. Parrots are intelligent. Bird like parrot can speak like humans. There was a parrot, Alex. It was large and grey. It was the famous talking bird in the whole world. Parrots are herbivorous, which means they eat fruits and plants. They eat small fruits such as berries, grapes, also eat rice and mangoes and chilies and guavas. Parrots are in 3 types: cockatoos, true parrots, New Zealand parrots. Parrot lives in bills of trees. Parrots are attractive birds. They have a red beak which is thick and a little bent. Its very attractive feature is its red beak. It is quite thick and a little bent. Parrots have smooth green feathers and a long green tail around their body. Male parrots also have a ring around their green necks. You can like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye for today.